Wireshark. Wireshark is a network tool used by network administrators and security professionals to capture and monitor data packets in a network. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to make it very easy and simple for you to understand Wireshark. I'm making use of Linux, and just in case you are using Windows, do make sure you stick to the end because it is a similar user interface, just slight differences. Alright, so on Linux it's sudo space Wireshark, then enter button. Alright, so on Windows, if you're using Windows, you're going to notice Wi-Fi, but for ETH0, that's the version for Linux. What I'm basically saying is this particular aspect here refers to the wireless card of my system. So Wireshark is basically monitoring my network activities, what I'm doing online, the website I visit, and all. So it's basically monitoring the data packets, the data transportation between both the source and the destination. Alright, so I want to go back. Now this blue icon here simply means to start capturing data packets. Once I hit the enter button, it's going to open. This red button here simply means to stop capturing the data packets. This green icon refers to me restarting the data packet, the capturing of data packets. It means I should restart it, and this means to capture, to get a specified information of the data packet. Now this simply means this open the capture file. It means a file that has been saved, you can simply open it again and try to understand or analyze the necessary information. The next icon to it, as simple as it is, to capture, to save the captured file. Now just this simply means an exit button. Once you hit the stop icon, if you want to opt out, you click this icon. Alright, so to reload, as soon as I click stop, I can choose to reload it and then restart it all over again. So now this icon here, this search button is a filter, it's an icon designed for filtering purposes. Alright, so I'll be doing some little practicals for you to understand what I'm saying. So I'm going to try to enter the YouTube website. So remember, I hit the enter button on YouTube channel, on YouTube website, right? Now what do you notice here? youtube.com. Now for a quick recap again on this aspect here, this is a table. We have number, and each data packet is assigned a unique number. The first data packet being captured is 1, 2, 3. It is being arranged sequentially. Now the next thing on the table is the time. Now this time might not you might not be able to understand this time well, but once you go to the view, go to time display format, then time of the day, then you go to view, click the view tab once again, then time, then hit second. So this is going to make it more understandable and readable. All right, so Wireshark is monitoring the data packets in my system. The network traffic is simply monitoring it. Now Wireshark is really an essential tool based on the fact that for network administrators is being used to understand some issues which for an application. Network administrators do mix of Wireshark to understand some reasons why the application is too slow, because sometimes users of a particular app can complain their app is slow. So Wireshark is actually necessary tool that network administrators can use to troubleshoot the network issue of the application. Now on a security level, Wireshark can be used as a research tool to understand how network attack works, how it happens. So it is really a powerful tool. All right, so and this for time, this source simply refers to the IP address of the sender. The destination simply means the IP address of the recipient, the device or the server receiving the data packets. Now the protocol simply means the protocol through which the data is being sent. The length simply refers to the size of the data packet. The info, as simple as it is, information, give us more details on the data packet. Now on this side here, we call this particular piece in Wireshark, we call it packet list. So, and on this other end there, we call this the packets, the raw data of the packet list, because here the information that is here is in the raw format. Yeah, actually this is hexadecimals. So as for that, so now about Wireshark monitoring. If I'm to go to another website again, probably Quora. Okay, no, let me say Wikipedia. Yeah, Wikipedia. So remember, I'm trying to access Wikipedia's website. Now please do pay attention that whichever activities is being done, Wireshark is simply monitoring my movement. It's simply monitoring my system's network. Alright, so how to use this vital function of Wireshark. Now as a beginner, it's advisable to know the common network protocols. Now for a website, definitely it's going to be HTTP or HTTPS. Though on Wireshark we don't use HTTPS, we make use of TLS, which is like the secure version of HTTP. So click enter. Now you can use the search button, you can search for, and again remember I've set mine to string. You can change it, you can use something else. x value. So making use of string, so search for wiki. Let's just say wiki. Alright, remember I was trying to access Wikipedia. This is it. So to summarize all that I've said so far, Wireshark is a network analyzing tool. It is used to analyze the data packets being transferred from the source to destination in a network of a device. It is used by both security professionals, black hat hackers, hackers with bad intentions, and also with by network administrators. So more in-depth tutorials are coming on Wireshark. Do make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.